Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable and disable camera on Google Meet. So whether you want to join a meeting without video or turn your camera on for face-to-face interaction, I'm going to walk you through how to easily enable or disable your camera on Google Meet. So first thing, you need to launch in the browser of your choice and go to meetagoo.com. Then join an existing meeting by clicking enter a code or link, or you can create a new meeting. Alternatively, you can start a new meeting by selecting new meeting and selecting start a new meeting. So once you're inside, you are ready to control your camera settings. I'm getting into my meeting. Now, once in the meeting, go ahead and look for the camera icon in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. It's trying to fix me into my meeting. Thank you. So locate the camera icon in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Look at it. The icon looks like a small camera. So if your camera is on, the icon will be colored typically blue or green. So do you want people to see in the meeting? Go ahead and click on use camera. I don't want to show my face, so I'm not going to enable this feature. Now go ahead and click on use camera. Now, if you don't want to, go ahead and turn on the microphone at the same time. If you don't want to turn on the microphone later, I can just go ahead and click on use camera and microphone at the same time to turn everything on. If the camera is off, it will appear gray with a line straight through it. This is it. Now, to turn off the camera, just simply click the camera icon again, and the icon will turn gray and show this line across it, indicating that the camera is now off. So you'll be able to hear and speak, but your video feed wouldn't be visible to others. Now, if your camera is off and you want to turn it back on, go ahead and click on the gray camera icon in the bottom toolbar, and this icon will turn blue or green, and your video will be visible again to other participants. So how do you manage your camera setting? If you want to select a different camera or adjust settings, you can just go ahead and click on the vertical dots. There's more options in the right corner of the screen, and select settings, and from the menu that appears, so in the video tab, go ahead and click on video, choose a different camera. This camera is blocked, but if the camera is not blocked, you can see options for you to choose camera. So choose a different camera if you have multiple devices connected, like external webcam, laptop camera. Adjust the video quality if you're experiencing lack of poor connection, and that's it. So if you're turning off your camera to minimize distractions but want to stay engaged, make sure to mute yourself by clicking the camera microphone icon in the toolbar. Now this will ensure that you're not inadvertently transmitting sound to others. And that's how you can easily enable or disable your camera in Google Meet, whether you're looking to save bandwidth, have privacy, or simply switch things up during a call. Remember that you can always adjust it anytime in your meeting. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.